For such jobs, you will need a dedicated hose clamp plier. These are special tools designed to pry open the clamp with minimal effort. Choose a set based on these qualities if you are also looking for a hose clamp plier. There are many products available to choose hose clamp pliers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best hose clamp pliers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Astro Pneumatic Tool 9409A Hose Clamp Pliers. Astro Pneumatic Tool is bringing the most popular choice we could find for this list of the best hose clamp pliers. This is a highly versatile tool that you can use for multiple types of applications. Coming in the first position, we have the Astro Pneumatic Tool 9409A Hose Clamp Plier. This is a cable-type hose clamp plier made up of metal to offer a rigid build quality. It also has a plastic handle coating to offer a smooth yet firm grip on the handle of the tool. You can use the Astro Pneumatic Tool 9409A hose clamp plier to remove hose clamps made up of metal as well as plastic without any problem. As for the jaw design, the Astro Pneumatic Tool 9409A hose clamp plier can work with hoses having diameter of 11/16 inches to 2/2 inches, offering support for the largest diameter range on this collection of tools. And with its flexible cable design, you can easily reach internal areas without any problem. This is one of the re-engineered models from Astro Pneumatic Tools, offering better strength and durability. Number 2. BETOOLL9PCS Wire Long Reach Hose Clamp Pliers. Instead of getting a single hose clamp plier, you will definitely find a complete set more beneficial for all of your needs. For that, we are putting the following set from BETOOLL up next on our list. In the second position, we have the BETOOLL Wire Long Reach Hose Clamp Pliers set. This is also one of the most popular options you can find right now for a hose clamp plier set, and an ideal choice for those who need multiple types of pliers. This set includes a total of 9 units, 7 of which are pliers including a wire-type hose clamp plier. All of these pliers can be safely locked on the job before you start working on the pliers. The BETOOLL Wire Long Reach Hose Clamp Plier also offers a longer reach, making many applications much easier. With that, you can work on intricate areas and long-distance hoses without any problem. Hence, the BETOOLL Wire Long Reach Hose Clamp Pliers set is an ideal choice if you are working with fuel, oil, or water hose of your vehicle. Number 3. Professional Hose Clamp Pliers. BAFU is also a well-known brand on the market that offers many affordable choices for different types of tools and accessories. The following option from BAFU is the cheapest hose plier we have on this list today. In the third place, we have the BAFU Professional Hose Clamp Pliers Repair Tool, since it is the most affordable hose clamp plier on the market right now. Still, it is a carbon steel plier which brings the durability and reliability of the material along with increased resistance to corrosion. You will also find firm grip handles on the BAFU Professional Hose Clamp Pliers Repair Tool thanks to the rubber coating. The maximum jaw adjustment setting for the BAFU Professional Hose Clamp Pliers Repair Tool ranges up to 1/3 inches in size. So, you will be able to use the tool for many different types of applications. This is also a compatible option for both ring type as well as flat band hose clamp pliers. All of the BAFU Professional Hose Clamp Pliers Repair Tool are tried and tested before shipping to ensure a long-lasting reliability. Number 4. Orion Motortech Hose Clamp Pliers. Orion Motortech is also bringing a premium choice on our list today, which ensures great performance considering it's a complete set rather than a single unit. It also offers great material quality. The Orion Motortech Hose Clamp Pliers is also a set of hose clamp pliers which enables a wide range of applications. This is also a set of 9 units, introducing 7 types of pliers in the set, one of which being a wire-type hose clamp plier. Other than that, you will also find click R-type collar pliers, swivel pliers, jaw band clips, and many other options on this set. With so many options available in your reach, you will be able to work with hoses ranging up to 2/2 inches in size. The locking design of the Orion Motortech Hose Clamp Pliers is also quite decent, and offers a firm grip after you lock the plier in its place. One of the most important factors of the Orion Motortech Hose Clamp Pliers is their material quality. As all of these options are made up of carbon steel, you will get a pretty good strength with the tool set. Number 5. Radiator Hose Clamp Pliers. While we are talking about affordable hose clamp pliers, let us discuss another great choice on our list from the Little Green Change. This is also a wire-type hose clamp plier which you will find ideal for your application. This clamp pliers tool is one more budget choice that we have on this list today. Apart from that, you also get the advantage of a carbon steel design, which is a truly great deal at this price point. And this tool is also versatile in terms of application as it works with flat type and ring type hose clamps. The handles of the Little Green Clamp Pliers tool are also double dipped in rubber for better grip. The little green change radiator hose clamp pliers tool can be used for clamp removal, factory spring clamp pinching, coolant hose clamp removal, and much more. The repair clamp tongs on this tool are also quite flexible and work like a charm every time. With the little green change radiator hose clamp pliers tool, you can work on any clamp falling below 2.1 inches in size. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.